Fine, that no none. Abonata is the inner form. Afam Bungozika. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time here, I appreciate you. Thank you for dropping by. I promise you a track with the fun, okay? And so our returning subscribers, thank you for always supporting this channel. I'm so grateful. Alright? In today's video, we are going to look at certain words I picked in order to improve your Igbo vocabulary, okay? Yes, so today's video is all about improving your Igbo vocabulary, okay? But before we delve into what we have for today, don't forget to hit the like button, your subscribe button, and turn on your notification bell so that whenever I make new uploads, you always be the first to be notified. Alright? So the first on our list today is advice. Advice. In Igbo, we call that ndumodu. Ndumodu. Advice. Ndumodu. Now let's take a look at this simple sentence. Come, let me give you a piece of advice. Come, let me give you a piece of advice. In Igbo, you can simply say, Bia, kanyegi ndumodu. Bia, kanyegi ndumodu. Okay? Ndumodu, advice. Bia, kanyegi ndumodu. But in some other dialects, you hear Bia, kan duoge odu. Bia, kan duoge odu. Okay? Ndumodu, advice. Ndumodu, advice. Okay? The second on our list is clothes. Clothes. In Igbo, we call that awo. Awo. Your dress, your gowns, your trousers, your shorts, your blouses, they are all called awo. 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 Okay? But in some other dialects, you hear aqua. Aqua. So we either call these things awo, ere, or aqua. Okay? Awo, ere, or aqua. So we have either awo, aqua, or ere. Alright? Yes. That is for clothes. Now let's take this simple sentence. Awonka amaka. Awonka amaka. This dress is beautiful. This dress is beautiful. Okay? Or awonka galalonu. Awonka galalonu. This dress is expensive. This dress is expensive. Galalonu, expensive. Okay? Awonka galalonu. This dress is expensive. Alright? Yes. Now in Igbo, okay, we have what we call wrappers. Wrappers. We tie wrappers, okay? Our men, our women, everyone tie wrappers. In Igbo, we call these wrappers ogodo. Ogodo. Okay? It's a kind of clothes, okay? But in this case, we tie them just the way you tie your towel, okay? Round your waist and round your chest. That is our wrappers. In Igbo, we call that ogodo. 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 Okay? Yes, we use them for functions, occasions, even sometimes at home. Let me give you an example of what I'm talking about. This is a wrapper. That is also a wrapper. Okay? Now let's make 2 or 3 simple sentences with ogodo. Okay? Good. Chiam ogodom. Chiam ogodom. Chiam ogodom. Get me my wrapper, or bring me my wrapper. Chiam ogodom. Get me my wrapper, or bring me my wrappers. Okay? Yes. Ogodom ke amaka. These wrappers are beautiful. Ogodom ke amaka. These wrappers are beautiful. Okay? The next on our list is discussion. Discussion. Okay? In Igbo, we say nkata. Nkata translates discussion. Nkata. Now let's look at this simple sentence. We have a discussion this night. We have a discussion this night. In Igbo, you simply say Anyị nwelu nkata n'abalị a. Anyị nwelu nkata n'abalị a. We have a discussion tonight or this night, okay? Anyị nwelu nkata n'abalị a or n'abalị a. Anyị nwelu nkata, okay? N'abalị a. Anyị nwelu nkata, okay? Now, you can either say n'abalị a or n'abalị taa, okay? N'abalị a, tonight, or n'abalị taa, okay? N'abalị taa or n'abalị a. We have a discussion. We have a discussion, okay? All right, now let's look at to discuss, to have a chat, to discuss. Ka anyị kpaa nkata. Now let's use discuss in a sentence. Ka anyị kpaa nkata, let's discuss. Ka anyị kpaa nkata, let's discuss. Let's chat. Ka anyị kpaa nkata. All right, very good. The next on our list is meetings, gathering, okay? Meeting, gathering. In Igbo, we call that nzuko, or nnọkọ, or ọgbakọ, okay? From where I come from, we call it nzuko, ọgbakọ, or nnọkọ. Either of these three means meeting, gathering, okay? In English, meeting or gathering. Now let's take a simple sentence with nnọkọ, ọgbakọ, or nzuko, okay? Anyị nwelu nzuko echi niile. Anyị nwelu nzuko echi niile. The meeting will be held tomorrow, okay? The meeting will be held tomorrow. Anyị nwelu nzuko echi niile. You can either say echi niile or just echi. You can either say echi niile or just echi, okay? So, anyị nwelu nzuko echi or anyị nwelu nzuko echi niile. All right? Yes, that is it. Now the next one is to gather. To gather. To gather. Boko. Gather them together. Boko wonu. Remember, it's gather. To gather something, okay? Gather them together. Boko wonu. Boko fa onu. We have boko wonu, okay? Or gather everything together. Gather everything together. Boko vanine onu. Everything. Boko vanine onu. Boko vanine onu. Remember, gather is boko. And gathering, meeting, is nzuko, ọgbakọ, or nnọkọ. Okay? Yes. The next on our list is lamp. That is lantern, okay? Lamp, lantern. In Igbo, we call that utukbe. Lantern, or your lamp. Utukbe. Good. Let's make a simple sentence with utukbe. That lamp is big. Utukpa vulivu. Utukpa vulivu. This lamp is big. Okay? The second sentence is get me the lamp or bring me the lamp. In Igbo, you simply say patalum utukpa. Patalum utukpa or piam utukpa. Okay? Patalum utukpa or piam utukpa. Bring me the lamp or get me the lamp. Alright? So we have utukpa vulivu. This lamp is big. Or piam utukpa. Get me the lamp. Or panyam or patalum utukpa. Or piam utukpa. Bring me or get me the lamp. Okay? Good. The next on our list is master. Master. Nna ukwu. Nna ukwu. Master. Okay? My master is tall. Nna m ukwu tolo ogologo. Nna m ukwu tolo ogologo. My master is tall. Okay? Nna m ukwu, my master. Nna ukwu, master. Alright? Alright, the next one is Itunanya. Itunanya simply translates surprise, amaze, or shock. Okay? Excuse me. Itunanya simply means shock, surprise, or amaze. Okay? Itunanya. Now, let's look at this sentence. I am surprised at your behavior. I am surprised at your behavior. Wait, first thing first. Agwa means behavior. Behavior, character, agwa. Or omume. Okay? We have agwa or omume for behavior or character. Okay? Behavior or character is agwa or omume. Okay? Now that established, let's go back to Itunanya. I was making a sentence with Itunanya, but I found it necessary to explain what agwa and behavior means. Okay? Good. Now we know that behavior and or character is agwa or omume. Now let's go back to Itunanya. Let's look at the simple sentence. Agwagi tumunanya. Your behavior surprised me. I am surprised at your behavior. Akbalama agwagi tumunanya. Akbalama agwa. That is your exhibited character. Akbalama agwa. Your exhibited character. Tumunanya. Surprised me. Okay? I was surprised at your character. Akbalama agwagi tumunanya. Alright? Yes. Then another sentence. Let's look at this. Okay. Agwagi ajoka. Or omumegi ajoka. That is your character is bad. Ajoka means very bad. Jolonjo is bad. Okay? So your character is bad. Agwagi jolonjo. Agwagi jolonjo. Or omumegi ajoka. Omumegi ajoka. Your character or your behavior is very bad. Ajoka, very bad. Jolonjo, bad. Okay? Or let us say your character is good. You have a good character. Imwelo ezubo omume. Imwelo ezibo omume. You have a good character. Agwagi malumma. Agwagi malumma. Omumegi malumma. You have a good character. Okay? Yes. Yes. The next on our list is Itwanya. Itwanya simply translates expectation. Expectation, to expect. Itwanya. Okay? Itwanya, to expect. Expectation. Now let's take this. What do you expect? What do you expect? Kedu ife ina-atwanya. Kedu ife ina-atwanya. That is kedu ife ina-atwanya. Okay? Kedu ife ina-atwanya or kedu ife ina-atwanya. What are you expecting? Kedu ife ina-atwanya or kedu ife ina-atwanya. Okay? The next sentence is, what are your expectations? What are your expectations? Remember, the first one has to do with singular, the single thing you're expecting. But in this case, we are talking about the plural, okay? Your expectations. What are your expectations? Kedu umuive ina-atwanya. Kedu umuive ina-atwanya. See, in this one I added that is plural of ife. Okay? Kedi umu ife ina-atwanya or kedi umu ife ina-atwanya. What are your expectations? Okay? Good. Let's assume we are talking about money, amount of money, okay? And you want to ask, How much are you expecting? How much are you expecting? Okay? Simply say, ego one ka ị na-atụ anya. How much? Ego is money in Igbo. So let's use that in this sentence. Ego one ka ị na-atụ anya. How much are you expecting? Ego one ka ị na-atụ anya. I am not expecting anything. Onwere ife na-atụ anya or onwere ife na-atụ anya. Onwere ife na-atụ anya or onwere ife na-atụ anya. Onwere ife na-atụ anya or onwere ife na-atụ anya. I am not expecting anything. Okay? Remember, the word here is ịtụ anya, expectation or expect, to expect. Ịtụ anya. Okay? Good. Onagakwa. Onaga. So the next on our list is rain. That is rainfall. Rain. In Igbo we call that mmili ozuzo. Mmili ozuzo. But don't forget that water is called mmili in Igbo. Mmili means water. Okay? So rain, rainfall. Mmili ozuzo. Mmili ozuzo. That is rainfall. That's rain. Okay? Now let's take simple sentences here with mmili ozuzo. Okay? Good. Mmili nezo. Rain is falling or it is raining. Mmili nezo. Remember, water is mmili. Okay? Good. Mmili nezo. Rain is falling or it is raining. Mmili nezo. Now let's look at another sentence. Mmili nezo shike. Mmili nezo shike. It is raining heavily. It is raining heavily. Mmili nezo shike. Okay? Good. Now, okay, let's assume it's drizzling. In Igbo, you simply say mmili na ayo. Mmili na ayo for drizzling. Okay? Mmili na ayo. Then rainfall. Mmili nezo. Rain is falling. Mmili nezo. Mmili na ayo. It is drizzling. Good. Now let's look at another word. We have the dew. The dew simply translates igilige. Igilige for the dew. Igilige for the dew. Alright? So we have mmili nezo. Rain is falling. Mmili nezo shike. It is raining cat and dog. Like it's raining heavily. Then igilige. Igilige simply means the dew. Alright? It's drizzling. It's drizzling. It is drizzling. Mmili na ayo. Okay? Good. Now the next on our list is your shoes. Shoes. Akpụkpụ ọkpa. Akpụkpụ ọkpa. Your shoes. Akpụkpụ ọkpa gị. Your shoes. Akpụkpụ ọkpa gị. My shoes. Akpụkpụ ọkpa m. My shoes. Akpụkpụ ọkpa m. Our shoes. Akpụkpụ ọkpa anyị. Remember anyị. Ours. Anyị. Ours. Okay? Us. We. Well, anyị. Okay? Now, gị. You. Then mu. Me. Me. So my shoes. Akpụkpụ ọkpa. Your shoes. Akpụkpụ ọkpa gị. Our shoes. Akpụkpụ ọkpa anyị. Okay? Good. Now let's make a simple sentence with akpụkpụ ọkpa. That's the shoes. Akpụkpụ ọkpa amaka. Akpụkpụ ọkpa amaka. These shoes are beautiful. These shoes are beautiful. Akpụkpụ ọkpa amaka. Okay? Good. Now, the last but not the least for today is your telephone. Your telephone or your mobile phone, we call that ekwentị. Ekwentị. Okay? Ekwentị for your mobile phone, for your telephone. Okay? Ekwentị. Okay? Now let's make a simple sentence with ekwentị. Ekwentị gị amaka. Your mobile phone is beautiful. Ekwentị a galala ọnụ. Ekwentị a galala ọnụ. This phone is expensive. This phone is expensive. Now let's look at very expensive. Ogalalon rinne. Ogalalon rinne. Remember when I told you rinne means very, something in a high degree, okay? So ekwentia galalon rinne. This phone is very expensive, okay? Good. And that brings us to the end of today's video. If you find this video educative and helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, okay? Hit the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so that whenever I make new uploads, you'll always be the first to be notified. This is my first compilation of words on this topic, that is improving your Igbo vocabulary. And I promise to return with another compilation, okay? In order to improve your Igbo vocabulary, okay? Bye!